All right, so I'm gonna be doing my 2020 bike check today. So starting off with the frame, we got a 2017 We the People Battleship frame. It was originally trans purple, but I repainted it like, it was white at one time, and then it was like red, and then now it's black. And I think black looks clean, so I just did black. Go to the bars. I got S&M Perfect 10 bars. I think I cut them down to 28 and a half. Yeah, they're 10-inch rise. I like them. They look good. They feel like pretty strong, so it's nice. They're the Merit cross-check grips in purple, obviously. All the Merit stuff, actually, Montana Ricky sent it to me on accident, and I just kept it for free, so that was pretty sick. We got the Merit, I don't know, it's a Merit stem. It's nice. I don't know what the offset or anything is on it. Then we got the Sunday headset. It's just a purple cap to make it look good. And we got the Shadow forks. They're not like super steep. I used to have Animal Street forks, and I like them better than these actually because they're like steeper, but these are all right. And then for the front hub, we have a Shadow symbol hub, and it came with the guards, which is really nice because it's really hard to find guards sometimes. And the rim, I don't even know what rim it is. It's just some double wall rim that was off of a random bike. And then for the tires, we have the Merit option, like 2.35 purple tires. Has the slide walls. They actually work pretty good on like concrete ledges and stuff. So for a seat, we just have a fit pivotal seat. It's nothing special. It's old. It's like broken, so whatever. The seat post, I have no idea. It's just a pivotal seat post. For cranks, I have the Merit Battle cranks. I think they're 165 millimeters, so they're really short. And the Merit P1 pedals, they're nice. You don't really get shinners too bad on them because they're like light and thin. And the Merit Pentagard, sprocket guard. It's nice. I don't really use it, but it just looks good. And then for the chain, I have the Shadow Interlock half link. It's really nice. I've never had it break or anything. It's super tough. Oh yeah, my pegs, like all around 4 pegs, I think they're just Fiction Troop pegs, just in black to make it look clean. And then in the back, it's a Colt, I don't know, a Colt Free Coaster. Came with the guard, which was nice, and then just like a universal G Sport drive side hub guard. Kind of sucks, but it works. And the rim is a Shadow Truss rim. I don't know, I think that's pretty much it. It's not too heavy, but I don't know. I'd probably say it's like 30 pounds, 28, 30 pounds. Yep, there's my bike.
Yep, there's my bike.
Broke the concrete.